Ready?
Go!
Go! Ready? Steady!
No, I want to say
Okay, ready?
steady. Go!
Go! Where are we going?
Go!
Go!
To
Mama!
Mama.
Dada!
Dada, yeah, dada.
Apple!
Apple.
Yay! Bow!
Go!
Ate!
Dada.
Lola!
Maria.
Oh, what?
Richard Antigua? Who's Richard Antigua?
Ito, atat na atat kung makaalis ah. Good girl. They changed it. Put the water bottle on the other hand. There you go. Okay, hold this to me. Woo! Where are you going? Careful, careful. There you go. Alright. Everyone's out. Sunny day in Brisbane. 32. Sorry? She wants to hold hands, Sally. Tignan nyo, hindi siya umalis ka. Ang mukha. Pag hindi hinawakan yung kamay. Ah! Ah! I wish hold hands, Mama. Oh, wow. Grabe, sobrang init, anak. Ah. Okay. Hang on, Mama. We'll open the car. This way lang. Ate!
Yeah?
Lynn, I think you're on the other side, anak. That's Ate Paris's.
John?
Come here. Come here. Ate Paris will go that way. You're on the other side. Good girl. Go here. Here. Papa. Nini. This way. This way, my princess. Such a smart girl. Here you go. This is your side. I'm gonna put you up. There you go. Pa? Ready?
Go!
Go. Ready? Steady.
No, I want to say
Okay, ready?
steady. Go!
Go! Ayan na guys. Ito yung sinasabi ko ba? Let us go. Let us go. That's what you need. Where are we going?
Go!
Go.
To Willie.
Woolies. Raka.
Yes, we are.
No, we're going to have some lunch. Wait. You okay?
Oh my god, I poked this on my nose.
So see you later. See you later.
See you there.
See you there. Wait, did you just pick your nose? Hala, pariyagin mo. Nagsuon gilay mo. Nagsuon gilay mo. So, we ended up in the city. Yeah, down lang.
Dahil di ka mawala.
It's okay. Got fresh. So, doon sana sa Wollongaba guys, kung saan kami pupunta. Sa Vietnamese restaurant. Paikot-ikot kami ilang beses, walang parking. And then sana, babalik sana ako. And then, we missed the turn. Yung nalikuan ko guys is puntang City 1. she wants to push daddy.
Me too.
This one.
Yeah.
G.
That one.
Yung turn ko ay sa ano. Come on, we're here already. Paris, this way. Ay sa city nga. Kaya sabi ko, sa city na lang tayo. Uy, maghanap tayo ng makakain ko.
I remember this place.
I know. I know.
My
Sean, how does
Can we buy a lolly for after my lunch?
Yeah, maybe.
I'm talking about
That one.
one.
Which one again? Is that Maru? Was that Maru?
I was talking about that one.
Was that that way, Daddy? This way. Yeah.
Come on. No. This way, this way. This way.
Natawa talaga ako guys sa ating wrong turn eh.
Hey!
Ibang turn lang nakuha ni Mami. Come on. Anyways, it's fine. Marami na mga pagpipilian dito sa city. Paris, we're going. Bye. Quick, there's a car. Yeah. So, pupunta kami doon sa Korean restaurant. Instead of Vietnamese, naging Korean.
I wanted to get a baby chino.
Uy, baby Chino, it's already lunchtime eh. Gusto talagang maglakad eh, oh. Hang on. Sorry, my love. Tatabunan ng kanyang mata ng kanyang bow. Laki naman talaga kasi ng bow eh. Big girl. Come on lang. Ayan, city na guys. Well, I haven't seen the city since last year.
My first time.
First time this year.
Second time.
First time, ay taka.
Back. I'm happy here by the Philippines.
Where?
Here.
Before the Philippines. So I said last year.
Huh?
So I said last year.
And 222.
Yeah, it's 2022, that's right.
2022. 2022. What's this for? I like it.
So, nandyan lang yung I hope they're open. But, Nak, we're gonna go there later, Nak, for dessert. We got waffle there. Are they still here, Bob? Huh?
What about we get ice cream and waffle?
Oh, I don't know where it is.
My ice cream is over there.
Where?
Over there. Over there.
Ah, yeah, it's there, Maru. Yeah, we'll go after lunch. Maru Korean barbecue restaurant. Come. Oh, where's the headband? Oh. Yung nakasanayan.
I think you can have some of Mummy's soup.
Which one?
Ah, yeah.
Which one?
Beef rib soup.
Which
Yeah.
one?
Sarap-sarap ng soup nila dito, guys.
I don't want.
This one.
I don't want that.
She's drinking her orange juice now.
That mine?
Oslo.
Mikey,
Thank you.
give me one.
This is hot.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Extra rice agad.
Give
Yeah.
me one.
Yan. Daddy's got that. Kimchi Oslo. Lang ah.
Wait, is it now?
Yeah. Dali may kumpuro pa, oh.
It's coming.
I do like it.
What are you? Small one.
Ay, naglunlon no guys, oh.
This one, it's not for you.
Yum, 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 yum.
My face.
Yeah, get out of there, anak.
You're not meant to do that now.
If I am.
Ang aming fried chicken. Sabi, sobrang daming laman guys sa kanilang beef. Ayun, pang naiwan, oh. So, sa Pilipinas kami, my goodness. Nahihirapan ka pang kumuha ng isang ganito. You full, Daddy?
Yeah. Too full.
Too full. Dingling, are you full? Shh. Are you full? Uy. Are you full? Mm. Okay, let's go. Go pay. Sayang naman itong kanin eh. You full lang? You full? Uy, inok. Ha?
That's good.
I want bubble.
Kakalabas nga lang namin sa kinainan namin eh. Diyan na naman. Where are you going, Daddy? Follow Daddy na.
Where are we going?
Somewhere over the
Are we gonna
horizon.
go at the shop for a little bit? Then we'll come back.
Culture Kings there. We'll go have a look at Culture Kings. I think that's what that's where your daddy's going.
Is that the tree?
Yep, come on. Go follow Daddy.
Good tree.
Follow Dida ba?
Good tree.
Culture Kings. Tignan nyo. We are getting some muffles for dessert. Snacks.
Mommy, is this fake?
Yeah, that's fake lang.
Because it's so fluffy.
I know.
I really like the M&M's.
M&M. Super cute ng kanilang tindahan. Super fan. CELINE.
Delicious.
With one original and one chocolate.
Oh,
There's a rainbow.
but I'm in chocolate.
You are. Little girl.
Mine.
A few moments later.
Pauwi na kami.
Told me to come at 8.
Nag-grocery kami.
So I booked my
Actually, si Daddy lang pala. Kasi nakatulog yung mga kids sa sasakyan. So, hindi ko maiwan-iwan. So, Daddy came back to the car. Sobrang dami niyang pinambili. Yeah. Ayan. Tapos, ayan. He's putting them all away now.
I did. That's what I'm saying. I spoke to the manager
Very good, Daddy.
the night before. But
So, kanina sa Culture Kings, ito yung binili ni Daddy Mike na shorts. Tingnan mo yun. Sinusuot na niya ngayon.
yeah, really good.
Yan. Tapos, yung binili ko naman ay ito. Kailangan ko kasi ng flights. Ayan. Kasi, yung aking Givenchy ay dinala ko ng Pinas. Binigay ko sa family ko doon. So, Nireplace ko na lang ng Adidas. And also, naka-sale to siya, guys.
That's all right.
Half price. So, from 50, naging 25 na lang siya. Look! See?
Yeah, I think we got one. I think we all got it through.
Nice! Ayan, pang araw-araw ba? We're watching this, oh. Na-amaze talaga ako sa mga shows na ganito, guys. Yung coldest place on earth. Hi! Say hi, Sabi! Look! Where is Lini? Where is Lini?
Coldest place in the whole entire world.
It's real, real cold. You wanna go there? No? I know, me too. Ning Ning! Ang Ning Ning ni Mama. What are you playing with na? Crayons? Siya nawang ay. Gabi tayo lang ang iyang chin-chin. Wow! Wow! Love you ako. Ay, gosh! Mahusingot ng bata! Ang batang nakatae. Alam niyo ba guys, itong batang to, sobrang hilig niya sa, sahig.
Yeah?
Mahilig ka sa sahig lang. The Paris is talking to Lola Karen.
Lovely. When I come down and visit you, can I take you to school?
Yeah?
Change the bam bam.
Yeah?
I'd like that.
That's a boy doll, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, we'll keep that secret then. All right, well, listen, here's your grandmother, your Lola.
Paris, ask Daddy to show you the photo of our cat, Margot.
So we are preparing dinner, guys. Hi, hi. And this one wants got. I could have my Gucci on. No. Why no? I could wear my Louis Vuitton, but even with nothing on, mera may look. Sabi, apple. Ball. Yay! Mama. Dada. Yay! Where's Dada? Point Dada. Where's Dada? Where's Dada na? Point Dada. Where's Dada? Ay! You're a silly girl like your ate. Oy! Did you eat hair? Good. I love you. Say, ate. Dada is there.
Dada.
Say hi to Dada. Say hi to Dada. Hi to Dada ba? Wave. Hi Dada. I know. Dada potato. Dada. Daday. Daday. Naghiwa ako ng mangga. Ayan. Oy! But this is for Ate Paris kasi ito siya. Dito siya kumakain ng mangga, guys, for some reason. What's wrong? Mangga, avocado. Wala to sa kanya. But the rest... Look. Huh? Ang bata nga bulingit. Ang bata nga bulingit man. Lagi. Apple. Yeah! Ate. Ate. Lula. Lula. Tita. Tati. Tita. Yay, Dada. Ang lubot-lubot. Ang lubot-lubot.
No, I have more stuff on my purse.
That goes in the party bag.
Yeah. The chocolate and the toys. Some little ones.
Show Tito your list. Tell them what it is.
Party bags, chocolate, toys, lollipop, and flour, book, and food.
Wow, that's a lot. Do we have money for it?
Yes, I have money.
Wow, sana all.
It's Filipino money though.
Filipino money?
Yeah. I only have Filipino.
Oh no, I don't think you can use Filipino money in Australia. I don't think it's gonna work.
What about we use
Which one up? We're going to make
green,
green,
lemon,
lime, or strawberry jello.
I think which one smells good.
Which one smells good?
Which one smells the most good?
How about you, Ling Be? Ling, which one, Ling? You choose, Ling Be.
Point.
Green or red? Which one? You choose. Oh, red. Okay, we'll have the strawberry then.
Tomorrow we can do lime.
Yep. Okay, can you open the box?
It will be better if we mix them. I mean, it's not.
That one, this one.
No, but
You put them together?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think it will taste really good.
Yeah.
I think it will taste like
Open.
I think I'll do it. I think it will taste like
I'll get you.
watermelon
You reckon?
or maybe poo poo.
It will taste like poo-poo. Mix, mix, mix.
One sec, we're not ready to mix. There's no boiled water yet.
Have boiling water.
Oh, now I dropped the wrap. Whee!
Wow.
Tastes good.
Oh. Nah. Hang on, that's still hot.
Tito. Tito.
Okay. 1 minute more, okay? Okay. I gotta drink water.
That makes it up a little bit.
Water?
And Paris, when you're eating something, don't just leave it on the floor, yeah?
I did do that.
Then why was it on the floor?
Clean.
Yeah, but it was yours. It's your responsibility.
No, Celine did it. Celine did it.
Okay, did it. She did it because you left it on the table when you're supposed to eat it, yeah?
Wait.
Sorry. I like the taste.
Can you kind of clean that thing, please?
The what?
The hatches.
Got it?
Clean it, please, clean.
That's good. I almost picked the ball.
Madam. Madam! Maghugas na ta. Maghugas na ta. Mambuka ka lang. Wash na! Niready ko na yung damit niya for bed. Tatinan nyo. Boo! It's just cute man naman, baby girl. Boo! Wash na ta so we can go to sleep. Ano?
Anna.
What no? Please. Please. Mama.
Mama.
Dada.
Dada, yeah, dada.
Apple.
Apple.
Yee. Ball.
Go.
Ate.
Dada.
Lola.
Pamela.
Awo, what? Lula. Huy. Silly girl. Tita. Tita. Tito. Oh, this one lang. Last one. Lolo. Ay, gigi. Come, Nali. Come to Mama. Let's go wash.
No.
Yes. Can you say yes? Can you say yes lang? Can you say yes? Bye-bye now? You wanna say bye-bye now? Say bye-bye. Flying kiss. Oh, yes. Where's your nose? Where's your head? Where is your eyes? Eyes. There. That's your eyes. Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Da.
I love you.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning, bro.
See you in the morning. Nag-sleep na ang ating ito Paris, guys. Say good night na everyone.
Good night, everyone. Is it nighttime at the Philippines?
Of course. It's only 2 hours gap. So,
Where's Gab doing?
I'm saying gap. The hours, not Tito Gab. Buong ka.
What's Tito Gab doing in the Philippines right now?
He is doing live selling with Tita Mimi.
I don't think.
Guys, check
I
niyo
think-
ang
I
live
think-
selling ng aking sisterette, guys.
I think
Para may
he's
benta naman
going
siya.
to the shop to buy some food and bread.
Sure can?
Yes.
Anyways, patulog ko na to guys kaya anong oras na oh. School to siya
Well,
bukas to.
Tita Mimi.
Tomorrow's Monday.
I
Ay, sige ka, chika. Oy, ayaw pa nito matulog guys.
What's Tita
No,
doing
see,
right now?
ang dami pang mga tanong.
What's Tita doing right now?
He's studying.
Huh?
Sige na, ay, say good night, tita.
What did you say?
Good night, tita, tito. Mwah. See you tomorrow. It's currently 10:40 ng gabi, guys. And the kids are now asleep. Kakalabas ko lang from the room. Pinatulog ko si ate parents natin. Daddy Mike's watching his favorite show. What is it now?
90 Day Fiancé.
90 Day Fiancé.
with me or anyone, sit down, let's talk about it. But you told me
Do you watch 90 Day Fiancé? It's in America,
You
eh?
talk to me, hid yourself away.
Why are
I'm
you
an adult.
why are
I
you
need to talk
smiling
to
like
someone
that?
like an adult. And you acted like a child. I need a partner, okay?
Happy lang na.
Why are you wearing them shorts? Why are you wearing them shorts?
I think that she
No.
she was so sorry. I would like to
Can't
say
I wear
something.
any of my shorts?
You know I love you.
I'll just do a quick shout out before natin i-end yung ating vlog. I'll get that in back to do the shout. Alright, do the shout out, honey. Say shout out to
Shout out to Elizabeth Al Amer, Luz Tiongson, Jean Bagsik, Richard Antigua. Who's Richard Antigua?
ano pa mo sa vlog?
Debbie Amantillo, Emmanuel, G. Amora Sinya Santa Cagay, Erlinda Basa, Lenny Langit, Kari Faltkiera, Emily Sabico, Kreisal Essin,
That's the...
HKM.
Do you know? Do you know her?
Yeah, Kreisal.
No, that's not KM. The one that you said, who knows?
Ah, yeah. Morena, Dochil, A Chick Life, Fili Empalaro,
Ilang paro?
Judith Huawei. Is that like the phone? Wilma Serrano, Joan Shuet, Estrella Casanilo, Jamila Kawaja, Aline Ortua, Evelyn Lazam, Marika Castanera,
And?
Marisa Serrano, Carlo J. Robert, Aski Edna, Erlinda, Oropa, and last
That you already
but
wrote
not
your name before.
least, Rosalie Floor. Thank you guys.
Say thank you for watching.
Alright, can I please have
Say thank you for watching.
thank you for watching, especially to you, Emmanuel, and what's the other guy's name?
That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. Bye.
hey guys, samok.